got the chick, I call it Lola. She feel like the ocean, like to drink and smoke some Doja. And I feel like smoking, plus she good at charming cobras.
What's going on, guys? Alessio here again, and today's gonna be a double upload day. So right now we're gonna be doing the vinegar and baking soda challenge. For you guys who don't know what that is, you put a whole bunch of baking soda and vinegar, and it kind of like makes a mini explosion. Anyways, we'll see how that goes. Okay, so now we put the vinegar in here, and now let's see what happens when we put the baking soda in the vinegar. Oh. Whoa! Wait, let's do more. Let's put more. Let's put more. Sorry.
No.
Oh, no. Shit. Mama! Nothing. L'explosion! Yeah, do it!
That was a flop. We have to redo that.
Watch it, there's dog shit behind you. Don't step on it. Don't.
I didn't do.
Oh my.
Look, I didn't step on it. Which is the good part.
A cameraman never forgets to stop recording. I know, Chris. Yeah.
My hands smell like rice. Ready? That was beautiful. But always remember, guys, to like, subscribe, and we're out. Peace!
Thank you guys so much for watching this video. This video might be a little shorter than the Ouija board one, only because it was like a little fun last minute thing that we were gonna do. Anyways, it seemed like we all had a good time. So this has been Alessio, and we're out.